Hey guys, George here with Fit Bodies Unlimited along with Tiffany.
Hello.
She's one of our new trainers. We're super awesome and super excited to have her. We've got an awesome event coming up on the 23rd of October. So mark your calendars, get ready, because we're going to have a good time, right?
Yeah, we are.
It's our fall festival. We're going to be at the Newport News location. That's 135 Harpersville Road. We're going to be having games, costumes, pumpkin decorating contests, train the trainer, trunk or treat, food, cornhole, bounce house. I mean, you name it, we're going to have it. It's going to be a great time. So Tiffany's going to tell us a little bit more about our pumpkin decorating.
All right. So we're going to have a pumpkin decorating contest. It is a $5 entry fee. Please keep it child appropriate. This is a family friendly event, so nothing vulgar or anything crazy like that. Do be aware, though, the pumpkin is a pumpkin you are bringing yourself from home that you have already colored, painted, carved, or whatnot.
Yeah. And there's going to, it is a contest.
Yes.
So there is prizes. So, hey, who doesn't want to win something in a contest, right?
All right.
So we've also got the costume contest, and that's just, like it says, costume, wear a costume. Your kids can wear a costume, your dog, your cat, your grandma, whoever can wear a costume and come on up in here, okay? So we got the pet grooming place next door. You got to get the dogs cut, but anyways, So bring your costumes, bring yourself dressed up. Again, it's age appropriate or child appropriate.
Child appropriate.
So make sure that it's something crazy. But yeah, it's a contest. You'll win some prizes, win some stuff for that as well. Tiffany, tell us a little bit about Train the Trainer and what all's entailed with that and what people got to do and what they get to do and who they can do it to and all this kind of stuff.
All right. So Train the Trainer. It's a silent auction. You're bidding on each trainer, correctly?
Yep.
Correct,
Yep.
excuse me.
Yep.
Whoever's bid is the highest on each trainer will take that trainer and put them, hopefully, through a grueling 10 minutes of exercise, whatever you want to do with them for 10 minutes. We would prefer people not to, gang up together and put their money on one trainer or this or that.
That you're bidding, again, on one trainer or two trainers, 5 trainers, but that you're doing it individually.
Yes, this
and
is
you're not
not
getting
a group
together.
lotto.
Yeah, we had the only reason I say that is you weren't here for it, but we had another Train the Trainer, and there was this. It was a great event. We had a great time, but we did hear later on that somebody wanted to bid, but couldn't afford to bid what the other people bid because there was a group of them.
Yes.
So we just don't want that to happen again. We want to make sure that everybody gets an opportunity to. I mean, obviously, if you're an individual and you can't outbid the next person, then that kind of stinks. But it is what it is. We've also got trunk or treat. Candy. You like candy? What's your favorite candy?
I love candy. Anything chocolate.
Okay, I'm the same way.
Anything chocolate.
Chocolate. Let's see here. Chocolate, candy, Halloween. I like the pumpkin Reese's peanut butter cups.
Yes.
So love those.
Yes.
So if I was to pick one, that would probably be mine. So you can't pick one? Do you know?
Well,
Maybe?
you know something non-chocolate that I really like? That's Halloween candy that my husband thinks I'm disgusting.
Don't say candy corns?
Yes, candy corn!
God, they're so gross.
My husband thinks they're so gross too, but I love them.
Gross.
I love them.
They're definitely gross.
No,
I had a feeling you were going to say that. When you said not chocolate, I was like, ruined it.
Yep.
Okay, I thought we were friends. Now the line has been
The
drawn.
barrier is up.
Yep. Okay, no more friends. No,
My
but
bad.
yeah, so we're going to have candy. No professional cornhole players, please, because your boy's about to win. You know what I mean? But no, for real. October 23rd from 11 to 3 here at the Harpersville location. So we'd love to have you. We're super excited. As you can tell, we have a good time together. It's a great family. And, we'd love for you to join us in our fall festival.
Yes, sir.